Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today we're diving into the world of train travel, specifically looking at their Trainline.com. This website serves as a comprehensive resource for planning and booking train journeys, offering a wide range of options for various destinations. Whether you're planning a cross-country adventure or a short hop to a neighboring city, their Trainline.com provides a platform to compare prices, schedules, and routes from different train operators. Navigating the website is generally straightforward. You'll typically begin by entering your departure and arrival stations, along with your desired travel dates. The website then generates a list of available trains, displaying departure and arrival times, journey durations, and, crucially, ticket prices. A helpful feature is the ability to filter results based on criteria such as price, travel time, and preferred train operator. This allows for a more tailored search, helping you quickly pinpoint the most suitable option for your needs. The Trainline.com isn't limited to just booking tickets. They often provide helpful information on things like seat reservations, baggage allowances, and onboard amenities. This extra layer of detail can be incredibly useful, especially for first-time train travelers or those embarking on longer journeys. They also frequently offer special deals and discounts, which can be a great way to save money on your train travel. It's worth checking their promotions page regularly to see what offers are currently available. Keep in mind that booking in advance often secures the best prices, especially during peak travel seasons. While the website aims to be a one-stop shop for all your train travel needs, it's important to note that it primarily focuses on UK rail travel, with limited international options. Overall, their Trainline.com can be a valuable tool for anyone looking to book train travel. Its user-friendly interface, comprehensive search options, and additional travel information make planning a train journey much simpler. While their primary focus remains within the UK, their platform provides a streamlined and efficient way to compare prices and secure your tickets. Be sure to explore the site and discover the various features available, and, as always, plan ahead to secure the best deals.